On my way right now to Cap Performance over in Palmetto. I'm sorry, Cap Motorsports. Oops. I should know that. Got a little bit of an exhaust leak, if you can hear that, in the Corvette. So we're headed over there to have them fix it up. I'll let you know how that goes. It's a pretty big hole in the header on the passenger side. And it's funny because the O2 sensor, the weld for the bung basically failed pretty hard. Now there's like a golf ball size hole in my exhaust. We managed to get a one of those big exhaust clamps around it mostly, which made it significantly quieter, which is probably the only reason I'm able to actually have a conversation here. It's still very loud in the car, louder than normal because of that, but you know, race car shit, what you gonna do? All right, here at Cap Motorsports, dropping off the vet again for that exhaust leak. I'll post a picture of the failed O2 sensor weld. That shop car back there is about to be awesome. Full dyno. Hit them up. Have a great Monday. Reset that focus. If you don't love what you're doing, do something else. Because I love what I do. Both my jobs. So get out there and kill it. Have a great Monday. See y'all tomorrow.